Hello and welcome. My name is Aram Jacko. In this tutorial, I will explain what does it mean that a variable is nullable. So let's begin. If we choose, if we declare int age is equal to 20, the value age is an int32, and an int32 cannot be null. So if I try to give it a null value, it will complain. It says that an int cannot be is not a nullable value type, so it cannot be null. So how do we make it null? We make it a nullable type by going to the int and adding a question mark. By doing this, you're saying that this int that have the variable name age can be null, and it cannot, and it can be null, and it can also have values that are not null. So we can do now if age is not equal to null, console write run hello. If age is equal to null, oops, console write run null. So let's debug it and see if it works. So we're coming here, the age is null now, and it won't go to this line. It didn't. Age is null, is equal to null, and it will go to this line. And if we check the console, it will say null. So a nullable type is when you make a variable able being null, even though the value or the type of that variable is not able being null as a default. And this is very useful, for example, if you have a database and you have column in a database. For example, you have a table called user, and there you have an column called age in the table user, but in the database it is able being null. So if you try to fetch it from the database, it will crash in your code if it's not able being null in your code. So this is very useful when you have database communication, or you're creating DTO objects, for example, that are representing the database tables. Alright, thank you for watching this tutorial. See you at the next one.